Hello everyone, good morning. It's a beautiful day in Sydney today, and I thought what better way to spend a day inside than to take apart my friend's Lego set and put it all back together again. So today I'm going to try really hard to finish the friend's Lego set in one day with all the pieces muddled up together in the same box. Now I had originally built this I think a month or two ago, but because it's been sitting in my living room it's gone a bit dusty, so I was taking it apart and cleaning it, so I thought may as well film me putting it back together and show you guys how it looks. So I'm just alone in my house today, everyone in my family's out, so I'm gonna be watching Friends with my Friends shirt on, building a Friends TV set. Let's go! So this is what the box looks like. It's got all the figurines here. It's Gunther and everyone else, and it's like a little TV set of Central Perk. When you open the box initially, it's got a couple bags of Lego and the instruction book, which is right here. It's got obviously the instructions, but also like a little intro about the Friends TV show, little profiles based on the characters, and just how this Lego set came together, from the fan who designed it to the actual Lego designers that had to put together the pieces. So yeah, I'll be trying to build all of this in a day. Who knows what'll happen, but here's to giving it a shot. Hey! So since today will be entirely Friends themed, I decided that I'm going to be watching Friends while I build this Friends Lego set. First part of the Lego set, I will be building the base of the set, and it'll be Gunther first. I don't know if you can see. But it'll be Gunther first and just the base of the set. So they're usually the bigger pieces, which means I shouldn't have too much trouble finding them in this little box here. Okay, so the sun's gone down a bit. It's suddenly become a lot cloudy and I'm back from lunch, so I'm in a slight food coma, but I want to get halfway. So there are 6 packs. This is going to be the third. I want to get at least halfway today. Good morning world, it is the next day. Right after I said that I would at least try and get halfway through the set, it started raining outside and all the sun was gone. So I had to stop filming because I was losing light. But today for sure, I'm starting out bright and early in the morning at 9:40. I'm definitely getting it done before I end of today. Also wearing my big ass hoodie and no makeup because I just cannot be bothered today. But finish that like I said, I will. Chandler, Joey, Phoebe, Rachel, Monica, and Ross. Yay! It's all complete. Ta-da! Love all the details in this set. The poles, the counter, they even got the antique coffee machines, the curtains, the doors, the keyboard, and Phoebe's mic and guitar, Joey's pizza, Chandler's laptops. That's it. It's finally done. After 4 or 5 hours of solid work over 2 days, it's finally done. I finally cleaned and rebuilt the Friends Lego set. So thank you for watching. If you've managed to stick through it this far, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment down below if you love Friends or for any future videos you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.